How to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 7. So if you want to download and install Google Chrome in Windows 7, then just follow the steps. The first part is you just need to simply go with your Internet Explorer or any browser that you have, and you just need to simply go with Google Chrome website. Once you're at the Google Chrome website, you just need to simply click on Download Chrome button, which is like this. So once you go with Google Chrome website, you will have the download button right here. In the same way, you will have the download button in your Windows 7. So you just need to simply click on the Download Chrome. And in terms of service window, confirm whether you want Chrome as your default browser and then choose Accept and Install button to open next window. If you want to set it as a default browser, you can tick in the front. Save Chrome browser on your computer by pressing Ctrl+S keyboards at the same time. This means that you've installed your Google Chrome in your computer. So that's how you can install your Google Chrome on your Windows 7. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.